Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. So today, as you can tell by the title of this video, I am on vacation with my family in Aruba, and I just wanted to do a quick tidy up. We actually rented a condo for the week, and it's not an all-exclusive resort. So as you can see, I'm doing laundry. I'm getting a lot of stuff done in this quick little video, but it's not an all-inclusive resort, which we didn't want. We wanted the opportunity to be able to save a little bit of money by buying food at the grocery store here. They have a local market up the street from where we are. So we actually are in a condo, and in the condo, of course, we have the opportunity to cook. We can grill. This condo also has a spa and not a spa. What is it called? A hot tub. And then of course you have the washer and dryer. You can see me here washing some clothes. I just pulled some out the dryer. You'll see me folding those later. But I did want to clean up the kitchen real quick, and I just wanted you guys to see, just to give you a little bit of motivation, because I know that we do go on vacation, and even on vacation there is some cleaning to be done. So I wanted to bring you all along with me. Enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Listen, I'm about to put these chips in the refrigerator, and I know that might seem weird because I don't do that at home, but they had ants here, sugar ants. So I made sure this kitchen and stuff was clean every day, and I put everything in the refrigerator to keep it from being filled with ants because I don't do bugs at all. Okay.